Guys, mga unta guys. Itong salad.
Und sama na eating.
Unsa man na itim?
Yeah. What are you eating?
What am I eating?
Yeah.
So unsa man na eating?
Yeah.
Unsa man na imong gikaon?
It's sama na nakaon. What are you eating, Mom? What are you eating today? What are you eating today?
Salad
Salad. I
and
know.
fish. Nahulog ang kwa.
Salad and fish. Which one is your favorite healthy food? Chocolate or just salad?
So chocolate is not healthy for me.
What about salad? I don't have vitamins.
Salad.
I don't have vitamins.
Mukbang ta, mukbang.
What is he recording?
Sarap-sarap guys. Sarap kay mga day. Na sinarap na po sinikot. Hindi.
Effective cameraman.
Avocado.
What is it? Avocado.
Mm.
It's not that
Radish.
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 Radish. I cannot understand what you just said. You said radish. Radish. Looks like you're saying it. That's rigid. Is my mouth messy? Look.
Mm.
What about your mouth? It looks messy. My mouth is messy, your mouth is clean.
Mm.
Why your mouth is clean every day? Unsamana. What unsamana mean?
So that means what's that? Wala nahurot. Pa na nahurot yo.
I wanna beat you.
Say what? Wash your hands.
This is wet soap. What the heck is wet soap? Put this on again. Today, we're looking at Mom's recording.
You wanna eat?
Give me your fruit.
Mm.
No, thank you. Can I smell the avocado?
Nahulog.
What avocado? My favorite is kiwi. Kiwi.
Okay.
What's rockmelon look like?
Rock melon.
Yeah.
Looks like a melon.
But it's rock.
No.
It's a melon?
Mm.
Rock. Rockmelon. Watermelon. Watermelon, rockmelon. Watermelon, rockmelon.
Mm-hmm.
Those are, there's melon, watermelon, rockmelon. A rockmelon is a rock. A rockmelon is a melon that looks like a rock.
Yum yum. I love my dinner.
Don't
Bye.
stop